looking to how to create the Google form, and once they created we are publish and see to everyone access our Google form. And also once the Google form we created, the customer enter the input, we can analyze how what are the response we customer given, and we are looking the response also. So let's go with our video right now. Let's open the Google browser and open the Google Forms. Once the Google form opens, we have the multiple options. We have like the default option, we have the contact information, RSP, party invite, t-shirt sign up, and event registration. The default template is there, but we are right now create the new fresh template. Based on the template we are working right now. We put the heading like that, customer survey. Based on that we are input that, and form description we need to put that. Please share your valuable informations, and we have defaultly one question is there. If we have multiple we added multiple questions when click the plus buttons, we have the multiple questions we are able to enable, and we have delete based on the questions. Also first we provide the questions like that. What do you think about our video. We have the question answer type, we have multiple answer, we have short answer and paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox. Right now we have put the short answer. That's also we have able to maintain the mandatory. If we need to copy, also we have the copy option is there, and we have the if additional description like that. And if the response also validate some response, we have valid example, we have given the email ID or phone number like that. We have validate the valid format he given like that. The another question we have add like that. How do you rate our, that rating option is there, we have put the ratings. Also we have put the required and as well as. And another question we have video. Ask that what can we improve in our video improve our next video like that. It's given the paragraph, and it's user to option. If not enter the user, it's not asking, it's like the not mandatory field like that. And we have using the asking the maybe suggest the further video, future video like that. Video content, we have option to multi choice like that. We have tech related or add option, we have tech related or coding related, or have funny content. And then like that we have multiple options we able to add like that. If we put the mandatory field. If further we have ask email ID, we have put the short answer. It's given that optional because we are like that we are asking. Here we have input the text and contain the format, and we have put like that the validation. Here error, customer error message, we need to post that. Must be enter your email ID. Once we have created all those things, just enter all the questions. You have option to the publish only after we have user see everyone access through the internet. If sometimes we need to change the look field and look and good, you can have option to the color and header and font style, all those things, and background color. If that, just I will change the color like orange like that. Once I change the color, I will put the publish button. We have click the everyone to link the users and click the publish button, it's published. We have option to the shorten URL. If maybe it's sharing through the other forms, we like that shorten URL and copy. Once the customer have that URL, you just go to the any other customer like that and put the video like short answers. Example, I will put that how to analyze the other video the further. I will put that and ratings I will give the 3. Improve the next video. Quality of voice, voice improvisation, and we are asking the last coding related content and its email option, so I'm not putting like that, but I will put the validation here, so I will just put the enter. If you're interested in submit value, but here I will not able to submit, you need to enter the email ID immediately or ignore that. If you ignore, it's the form is submitted. Now go to the our developed Google form. Right now we have see the response and we can analyze that and we export the response and analyze all those things. That's it. Thanks for watching your